Larger photos in an instant. HP Sprocket Select Printer prints beautiful 2.3 by 3.4 photographs from your smartphone or social media in seconds. For iOS, Android, Bluetooth 5.1. ZINK Zero Ink technology, no expensive toner or ribbon replacements. Glossy sticky back photo paper has colors embedded inside for amazing resistance to water, smudges, tears. Exclusive frames filters. Personalize your snaps with cool editing tools on the HP app. Unlock augmented reality fun or scan your doodles to make custom stickers more. Instant access to social, no more scrolling to find your pics. Tag to print feature lets you hashtag a photo on Instagram, other social media for quick printing in the HP app. Slim, portable design, wireless pocket-sized rechargeable printer includes soft touch base, removable magnetic lid, micro USB port, other convenient travel-friendly features. Top reviews from the United States. Very easy to use, though sometimes you have to reload the film. I had a few pictures that wouldn't print, but I reloaded the film and it worked fine. I think it's pretty user-friendly and the print quality is great for what it is. Bought this as a Christmas gift for my teenage kids to share. Husband thought I was crazy. But both of my children love it and are printing photos almost daily. They use them for birthday cards, pictures to hang on their walls or lockers, etc. Easy to use. Lightweight and small. Charges quickly. Great purchase.